This female I be the wrong. Female, let's go. The Roman numeral SIP represents this number. Please. SIP represents this number. God out. Yes. You're wrong. The Roman what? Look, I'm red. SIP represents this number. You're wrong. SIP represents 14. Yeah, X is 10. I is 4. Okay, let's go. Okay. Now, who put the ball? Now you okay. 0 point. From there. Artist to use SM. 2010. Factor of production. You have factors of production. Which factors of production is this? Factors of production. You know, let me call the factor of production for you. Factors of production are capital, entrepreneur, run, and labor. So which factor of production is this? Which factor of production is this? You're wrong. They were not fit. Capital not fit. What is fit to land? No, they're not saying
Muscles and tasks. Concentrate in one use.